That's so big. I don't think there's any way that thing's gonna come in. Oh man, what a legend. Oh man, it just blew all the gears out of my reel. Oh, it's humongous.
Welcome back to another episode of Alaska Small Craft Adventures. We're on the Kenai River, hunting down that elusive Coho salmon. Right now, it's the second week of August, and this entire river is still filled up with cohos and sockeye salmon. Everybody who's fishing right now is still catching fish. Still. Isn't that incredible? What an amazing year to be out here in Alaska on the Kenai River. Woo! First trip out in boat this season?
First trip on my dad's boat.
Yeah.
He's out of town, so I kind of went down there last night and snagged it up.
Thanks, Dad. Oh, there's fish here. There's a lot of fish here.
Look at all these fish in the water. Can you see them all? Look, there's thousands. See them? Oh, look at them all. Can you guys see all those fish?
Look at them all. Look at that, all that dark spots.
We just landed on thousands of sockeye salmon. It's filled up like an aquarium.
Can you see all those in there?
Yeah.
See any fish, Finny?
They're kind of trickling out. I mean,
Trickling through by the thousands. Oh, fish on, cool.
I was just about to show everyone my epic harvest. Look at what I pulled off of that snag.
Oh, that is a nice sockeye salmon.
that is.
Okay. Good eating any other day of the week. You're a lucky one today.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
This one looks like a sockeye. He's getting in that current. Look at him. Woo! Nice big male sockeye. Look at him go. Look at him go. Ow! Oh, that
Might be a coho.
thing's got some jumps. Vinny's got a chrome one on, he says. I might have to get that net. See if he gives me a jump. Oh, that is a coho. That thing is chrome, whatever it is. Look at that. Nice hook up. Ooh, see those jumps. Oh, that's just a big sockeye. Jeez, that's a nice sockeye.
Oh, man.
Wow. Go make little baby sockeye. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. First one. First one of the season. Jackpot, baby. That's what I'm looking for. You see the spots on the back? Clear as day. So different from a sockeye. Ooh, jumper. Another sockeye. Right there. Ooh. Oh, you are way under the boat. Yep, that's the anchor. Ooh. Wow, hold on. That's a coho!
Yeah!
Dude, nice!
Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at the surprise
Vinny's
shot.
first coho of the trip.
Yes.
This fish I have in my hand right here, this is a coho. You can notice the shape of the mouth is hooked, and then look at the color of where its teeth are and its gums in there. See these spots down its back, and then a really wide base at the tail right there, and then the silver fan is always a giveaway. The bottom one's a coho, the top one's a sockeye. And you can almost see like a gold color in the coho and then a green back on that sockeye right there. No spots on the sockeye. See the difference in the tails? The sockeye is like a cloudy gray. This one's dark with a silver fan. You could totally tell the difference when you look at them side by side right there. So we're gonna head downriver to a very familiar spot. Okay, by now you guys know exactly where I'm at. This is Swiftwater Park.
I think it's a king. Feels like a king. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. It's big. It is big. It's a beast. Oh, it's way out there. Yeah, it's a big king. Oh, it's big. Oh, oh man. Yeah. Oh man. Oh baby. That thing is so heavy. Oh. It's right there. Oh yeah. Let's see if it comes out of the water. Oh, it's humongous. Jeez. It's huge. Yes. Come here. It's coming in. It's coming in. Oh, dude, there's so much steam. Oh, oh, it's a huge king. Oh, it's gigantic. It's gigantic. Oh, I can't even move it. It's so stout. Oh. Oh yeah. That is a humongous king salmon. Oh. There it goes. Whoa.
Chilling in that current.
I don't even stand a chance. It's so tight and so heavy. I can't even explain the power that this thing has. Oh, it's just, everything is just tight. It feels like I'm like stuck on the bottom. It's so big. I don't think there's any way that thing's gonna come in. Oh man, what a legend. Oh, oh, oh man, it just blew all the gears out of my reel. Whoa, whoa, it's humongous. It's humongous. Dude. No, I'm still in.
Oh, okay.
I'm still in. It's a huge key. Oh!
Dang, what a sight to behold, though.
Dude. Oh, man. Ooh. Are you kidding?
Dude, my heart's racing for you.
Ooh. Dude, those big Kenai Kings, man, they are in here and they are alive and well. Dang! That thing had to have been 60 plus pounds. Insane! Oh, that might have been the biggest king salmon I've ever hooked up on. Jeez, it like blew my reel apart. There's no way I'm like getting it in with this old fishing rod. Oh, I am like shaking right now. Whew. Unbelievable. Hey, it's dry under here. Hey. Oh, it's wet again. Oh yeah, look at that. Does that look like fun? Everyone's like, bye, bye, bye. See you later. I'm out of here. Oh man. Portable fillet station. Clips on there, huh? Very nice. Right there. Look at that wire brush. Yep. Scales like fall off.
These Coho are much, much softer, so.
The Sockeye are like bright red, and these ones are more of an orange pink. Oh yeah. There's some yummy looking fillets. Look at that. They open up bait in like a week. And if you're going coho fishing, this right here is the bait to have. Uncharted waters here for us. I mean, this will be new. We're way up on the Kenai River today. North of Sterling, they call this place the Kenai Keys.
I want that one, Ryan. Get that one for me. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, stay down, stay down. Yeah. Big old buck again, huh? See, yeah, now I know. Here he comes. He's right, I'm gonna lift. Right there. Oh, yeah, that was rock star, man. Wasn't that something? Like a picture perfect plot. Oh, that was so cool though,
So
huh?
what did you weight on the hook set there? Like, how did you weight on it?
Yeah, baby. Nice.
He's catching rocks.
Nice. Okay. There's a bunch of fish coming. They are coming. Two here. These I had the last 6 hookups were all in the mouth. Yeah, there's more. Look at that. Ooh, here they come. Cool. This spot's sweet. Got a little beach actually to stand on. Right here, this spot I'm standing on, if you look down river, that's Bing's Landing right there. So I'm just upriver from Bing's at this private lodge. And this spot has fish shooting through it like crazy right now. This is some of the best sight fishing I've ever done for sockeye on the Kenai. This is truly amazing. What a fun time. I could just see the water change colors and you know there's fish. Look at that. Can you see those fish right there? Oh, it's so cool. Look at them. Right there's a fish on. Oh, fish off. Look at all those fish right there. Jeez. There's fish right in the mouth. There we go. That was a good floss. Cool. Yeah, I saw him head shake right there and try to get away from me. That was awesome. Oh, that's sweet. Now I gotta land him here. Let's see if I can get him up on that beach. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Sockeye. Cool. Right on. What an amazing trip out here. Thanks a lot, John, for inviting us out to your spot. This truly was an amazing experience to get to come all the way up here on the Upper Kenai on such a beautiful day. Thank you. Thanks for coming along and watching the show. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.